A blinking orange light on your Xfinity Gateway indicates it's trying to connect to the Xfinity network or is in the middle of the setup process. This usually means there's an activation or signal issue, preventing it from establishing a stable connection. The gateway, which combines modem and router functions, requires a stable power supply, a secure coaxial cable connection to Comcast's network, and successful activation through the Xfinity app or website to operate correctly. A solid white light indicates proper operation, while an orange blinking light signals delays in obtaining an IP address or syncing with Comcast's servers. According to Xfinity's 2025 data, 40% of their support calls are about setup issues, with orange blinking being the main problem. First, power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. A corroded cable splitter may be the culprit, especially in rural areas. Use the Xfinity app's diagnostics to identify signal issues or prompt manual activation. If using Wi-Fi for setup, try a wired Ethernet connection to bypass potential wireless glitches. AI-powered chatbots in the Xfinity app can now diagnose and resolve many issues, including orange light problems, often without human intervention. Firmware updates are pushed automatically, addressing signal stability. If problems persist, contact Xfinity support for further assistance or hardware checks, especially after storms, which can affect power adapters.